A very good morning to all of you guys. It's morning, it's Sunday, and it's 24th of May 2026. And I woke up a bit late today, and after that, I stay at I stayed at my bed, and I didn't want it to come. I felt lethargic, and I don't know why. Because of yesterday, I had a lot to do, so I was so exhausted. That's the reason I went to sleep at 10:30 yesterday last night, and when I when my wife woke me up, and it was 6 o'clock. So after so long time, I got late today after sunrise. Usually, I woke up early in the morning uh, before sunrises. So it's okay. My mind is still uh, feeling some lethargicness, and I am thinking that somehow I have to practice. I had to practice, so I came here, opened my camera, and just start recording myself. As you know, I have started this journey 10th of January, and since then I have been recording myself, and this activity uh, helped me to say anything about in English. Even I know mm, I am able to uh, ask anything in English, say anything in English, and I have still a problem with the accuracy which I want to incorporate in last yesterday video, not last uh, in morning time uploads when I was talking about when I was describing about plants where I made mistakes, like for my mother I used uh, 2 or 3 times he. Why does it happen? Because my mind, I think, I realize that my mind is still not uh, uh, set in this language. That's when I talk about uh, he doesn't differentiate with uh, uh, masculine and feminine. And sometimes why we use when we have to say like he goes, sometimes we saying he go. So it happens initially, and I think I need to still more focus on my accuracy, because this is what I'm lacking behind, and for this I can more focus. I should more focus. I should while uh, while while speaking and while as well listening someone else. In my opinion, in my experience, there are lots of hacks which you adopt, then you can learn this language. But because we are not just a student, we are elder, we have job, we have to do our other things. So we usually have uh, a short time, so we cannot whole give our whole time. Even though I want to give my uh, every time for this language, but unfortunately I can't do that because I am not only a learner, I am a working professional, I am a family man, and so for this I want to whoever uh, like my position, I would advise them, all of them, only if you take your half an hour for listening and half an hour for speaking. That way, that is uh, that is uh, that will help you to be fluent. And definitely, it will take time because the more you give your time for English, the more you learn faster. So it's up to you, up to us, how much we want to learn this language faster because because it's definitely uh, uh, depends on our desires. And for me, I want to learn this language faster, but some responsibilities, some work I cannot refrain from. And I also try to sometimes think in English while when I am at my workplace, when I am uh, riding bike, driving car, or but this habit I couldn't still I couldn't inculcate in my day-to-day life, and I know this importance of this activity. This is also make us faster, but over pressurizing sometimes our mind has started hurting because uh, we should eat for uh, our capacity of stomach. So keep it simple. I would advise you keep it simple. That then you can be uh, keep this learning journey for a long time. If you over pressurize yourself, like you overeat, then your stomach stomach could be upset. So for avoiding uh, this we need to eat, uh, even though the food is delicious, even though the mm, we want eat more, but we should take care of our capacity of stomach. So likewise, learning English also. We want to learn fast, but it's also necessary. We shouldn't uh, over pressurize our mind, because when we learn uh, slowly, then our learning uh, intact for long time. So I'm thinking, last week when I got ill, uh, I realized that it could be also because of my over pressurizing my mind. So somehow this the effect of over pressurizing myself, uh, it caused my illness. So this is also important of uh, important important of learning things. So I was thinking that, mm, so we shouldn't be over pressurized, because uh, we can't learn, we can't make our brain learn faster. We, it will be simultaneously, uh, we learn if we improve uh, by day-to-day practice. When we take it is a fun way, then our mind never hurts, and we learn easily without without any pressure, without any. So learning English should be in a fun way, I think. And so it's Sunday, and we should we call it fun day, as I said in my previous video also. So be calm, be funful, and make this Sunday funful. So now I'm going to wrap this video up, and I will see you in my next video. See, when I came, there was nothing in my mind, and when I start, slowly my brain respond uh, many things, and I am able to record this video, and it has been 13 minutes. So this is the, whenever you feel that you don't have anything, your mind has many things. So believe yourself, believe on your mind, and start your journey. You can do it, definitely. I will catch you right in a moment in my next video. Thank you for watching up to now. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Have fun, and make this Sunday a fun day. Thank you very much.